What's going on, Quinn? Let me guess what you want. Let's guess what you want. Oh, you want a cookie? Is that what you want? This is what you want? Yeah? You want a cookie? Okay. I can only have one. Oh, you want your bread? Okay, you can have the bread instead then. Are you happy now? Put the cookies back. You just got home from daycare? And you need a snack? There's nothing under there. Okay, Quinn, say goodbye. Bye. Say bye. Bye.